So guys, we are back now. The work is almost finished. Just what we done is place a clamp after. Okay, let's see. Okay, we can just take, see, the neck and bridge level is too good, too much good. Okay, after you clamp it, make sure that you all remove all the liquid which is drain out from your hair over the corners, right? See. Now, okay. Okay guys, see, I am just cleaning this mess. See, this is important just because after the guitar repair it will be too much dried and it look like the float is popping up. Okay. So we are going to remove this as much as we can. So guys, it's almost done. As you can see, the bridge, which was totally damaged, and popped up, is now completely jointed. Now we have to tag this guitar for 24 to 48 hours. Okay, then we will decide to reopen this clamp, and then we will string it up, and we will see what is the result was. Okay, so it's good, it looked good. Okay guys, thank you for watching, and hope you will this tutorial is very helpful for you all guys, and just don't go for any shop or any pro guitar repair and serve many of your money to repair it. Just try it yourself at your home. I am showing again that I am using this epoxy. This is the company, and hardener of same company. Okay, it will come into pair. You will mix it and apply wherever you want. It's very useful. I jointed many of the guitars with this solution and got very positive results. Okay, must try it. Thank you guys, thank you.